Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So today, I got me this pretty beat up box, but as you can see, it's a pretty cool product inside of it. Hopefully it doesn't get too damaged. Anyway, Amazon delivered to me like this. I have to apologize, but yeah, it's a LED matrix panel. I guess we're in 2022 now, and so we're heading towards more of like Blade Runner type of hologram stuff. But since we're not there yet with the hologram, there are these LED matrix that you can put on your car to make it look cool when you're driving down the road. Or you can like tell people other things while you're driving. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. Let's see what else it has in here. Instruction booklet, how to use it and things like that. Got a car charger here, which is nice. It got 2 USB, so it's free up one of your USBs so that you can charge your phone with. So that's cool. Then we got ourselves, double-sided tape. Okay, so yeah, double-sided tape for you to tape the LED onto, I'm assuming. Yeah, I can think of a few use cases that I can use for this. And as you can see right here, this is like flexible LED panel right here. Look at this. See that? So it just folds out. Pretty cool stuff. The one use case that I would actually probably use this on is, you see my computer right here, it has a bunch of RGB. I can probably put this at the bottom and then it would display some cool message, you know, while I'm doing video stuff. I don't know. I think that's a cool idea. The other thing is I want to explore something like this where you see how it actually has literally this is a computer cable right here that I can plug into my motherboard and stuff like that. So I may have to explore some of that, you know, see if that will work. But as you can see right here, there's some controls. Probably this control right here is probably to control what the LED does and stuff like that. And then there's also this on and off switch right here that I guess turn on and off the USB-A right here. That's what's in the box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug it in and give this thing a try to see if it works. All right. Okay. I'll pull it out a little bit. So let's turn it on. Voila. Ooh, that is bright. That is really bright, by the way. You guys can see this right here then. Yeah. Ooh, very, 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 very bright, very bright. It's a lot brighter than it is on my camera, I believe. But that's beautiful. Wow. So notice one thing, okay? All the LED actually lights up. There's no like dead LED at all on here, which is what I worry the most about. You know, you don't want to be one of those restaurants that only has the A and there's no E, and anyway. Okay, let's press this button and see what it does. Okay, so when I press it, pretty cool. That goes the other way, okay. This goes this way, okay. Okay. Just some little cool effects, yeah. And then that just turns everything on. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to actually hook this up to to my phone, and then I'm gonna see if I can write some messages on there. Okay guys, so next step, what I wanted to do was I want to show you the app that is on here, and so far it's looking fantastic. Look at this. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this button right here and see that it's loading it, and boom, you got yourself a nice little Yoshi with an egg. Let's check out something else. So there's this one right here playing a little animation. Some of the graphic that is dynamic would require a bit more loading time than others. So that one right there loaded pretty quickly. Let's see this one right here. This one loads. It's an okay amount of time right there. There are some that are a little bit more heavier in terms of animation, it takes a bit more to load. And so let's give this one a try right here. Actually, this one's pretty fast. There were some that took a while early on when I was testing it. Well, this one right here, it takes a while, but this is still faster than what it was. Maybe it's already loaded in and it just needed some time that it's still in cache. I don't know, but yeah, look at this. This is beautiful right here. It actually looks a lot brighter in real life than it is on my camera screen. Just an FYI, this thing is a lot brighter in real life. So with that right there, you've got yourself some, let's say, graffiti. So I've created some graffiti right here, and it just loads that up, and it does its whole marquee in. There we go. So you can change up the marquee to other type of animation by just pressing this button right here. So it would just replay that graphics that I've created, but then in other ways. So this comes down. I believe this one right here is, yeah, it's just like stacking like Tetris. So yeah, there you have it. Here's something else that I created. Different animation right there. With this right here, you can actually control like how bright the graphics you want is, and also how fast you want it to go. So this one right here, you see that? So it's loading up really fast, or you can go really slow. So this is super slow right here. I can go really fast if I want to. Here we go. Yep. You also have a chance to create your own animation if you want. So there's a tab for creating your own animation. It takes a lot of time. You might need to know how to, draw a pixel, but that's kind of how it is right there. Yeah. And then there's also a music tab, which I have not tried out. I believe when you play music, it will, the LED would play with it, which is very common, by the way. But yeah, that's it right there. That's it's super simple, guys. I mean, there's nothing else that I can say about this. It makes it super simple after you hook everything up on your Bluetooth with your phone. I mean, look at this. This one right here is adding text. So right now I can type in this versus that, right? And then right there, and let's go ahead and I'm gonna say yes. That's good enough. Now it's loading it up. There you go, this versus that. Some text might be way too long for it, but you get the point. All right, so I have this one I just made right here. It says hello. Even adding that graphics that I put in there that says hi. And then the emoji right there. Yeah. So anyway, guys, that's it right there. That's the LED panel, flexible LED panel. It's beautiful, and it is very, very bright.